Presenting, the Oppo A54 has a sleek body and it features punch-hole display for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading e-books. It is available in Starry Blue, Moonlight Gold and Crystal Black color. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 4GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Oppo A54 has a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with an 89.2% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a side fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. Oppo A54 features a 13-megapixel quad-rad camera and a 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10.0 operating system with MediaTek Helio P35 GPU IMG GE8320 at the rate 680 MHz and powerful 2.3 GHz Octa-core processor. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 18 watts fast charging technology. The box includes phone, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide, safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.